In this video, I want to get you started with your personal growth journey if you haven't done it yet. If you're still like, well, I want to change my life, I'm not happy where it is right now, but I don't know what to do, this video is going to help you out. What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. That's what we're talking about in this channel here. It's gaming and personality type and personal growth and how to use those all together to live a better life. So it doesn't matter what your personality type is, but you're going to be able to take a lot of these aspects and bring them into your own personal life, which is something that I help my clients do. So the first thing, within this whole journey is you got to make a decisive strike. You have to just make that choice. Like, I'm done with this. I'm done with this lifestyle. I'm done with not feeling fulfilled and just being drained with energy and not being able to go on these epic adventures and quests in my life. I'm done with that. You have to make that decisive strike. And when you do that, it's going to be scary. It might feel like it takes a lot of energy. It might, push you out into the unknown. By saying, I'm going to do it, I'm making this decision right now, then you're at least getting things started. You're taking that first step. Because up until that point, it's all wishy-washy. You're following this path, this quest line over here. You're going all these different directions. But when you make that choice, I'm going to slay this dragon in my life, this thing that's been fed too long and terrorizing myself and all the other people in my life. I'm done. I'm going to attack it. Then you actually start looking for it. You look up to it. You look forward to it. You see it as this thing that I'm going to be able to make progress on and conquer and defeat and do something beneficial for your life. You're setting that goal to do it. The second one is to pursue relentlessly. After you make that choice, that decision, you got to do it. You got to take full action, and accept that you're not always going to be 100% at it. That's fine, but you need to keep going at it. You can't do it for a week and then give up. You can't go, like, I go to the gym every once in a while and I'm like, well, I haven't been to the gym in a while, so I'm going to lift all the weights here. And then I feel like I get pretty close. And then the next day I'm in so much pain, and the next week my body's just crumbling, and I haven't prepared myself for it because I'm just trying to go all out in one burst. But it's this relentless pursuit, right, where you just keep rallying and you keep moving forward and keep attacking until you can't give any more. And it's not just one burst, it's again and again and again. And through that, you're at least chipping away at the goal and moving into a better position to help your life. So I hope that this video was helpful. Just 2 little tips, right? Make a decisive strike and pursue relentlessly. You can do it. You can do it. It's definitely possible. Tons of people do it. It's just hard to find your stride sometimes. And if that's something that you're struggling with, go to geekpsychology.com and sign up for a clarity session. We can figure out some tips and tricks to get it working for you. Okay? Or you can check out videos like this one and get to understand your personality type a little bit better and the characters that you play and use those to better your life. Peace!